Hello everyone, my name is Habiba Khatam. Today I want to discuss some few concepts about the metric system. So, in our day-to-day life, we measure the things in two different systems, that is the metric systems and the United Standards. It is also called as an imperial system. So, firstly, we will move to the liquids. How liquids are being measured? Liquids are measured in milliliters and liters. Milliliters, milli and liter both together form a small amount of a liquid called milliliter. So, do you know a 20 drops of water makes 1 milliliter and a full teaspoon of liquid makes 5 milliliters? So, in short, milliliters are written in ml, that is 300 ml is equal to 300 milliliters. Now, take a bunch of milliliters and put it in a jug. It forms a liters. So, the difference between the milliliters and liter is milliliter is a small amount of a liquid, whereas liters are the huge amount of the liquid. For instance, when we go to the shop, we can see the liquids are being sold in the form of liters, like milk, soda, and any other soft drinks. Now you can understand the difference between the milliliters and the liters. Now next we will move to the mass. It is also called as a weight. How things are being measured in mass. Things are measured in the form of grams, kilograms and tons. So grams. Gram is the smallest weighing size of a thing. Now let us take an example of a paper pin and hold it in your hand. Does it weigh? It weighs. It weighs very lightly. So this is nothing but a paper pin has a weight of 1 gram. Now next we will move to the kilogram. Thousands of gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Kilo and gram. K stands for kilo and G stands for gram. Both together form kilogram. For example, mm, the mass of a dictionary book is equal to 1 kg. It means the mass of the dictionary book is equal to 1 kilogram. Now, next we will move to the tons. Things which are more heavier than the kilograms are measured in tons. For example, in our day-to-day life, like car, truck, cargo boxes are all measured in tons. Now, final thoughts of this mass are 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams and 1000 kilograms is equal to 1 ton. Hello. Next we will move to the next physical quantity, that is length. How the length is being measured? Length is measured in the form of millimeters, centimeters, then meters, then kilometers, then millimeters. Now, for example, let us want to find the thickness of a plastic ID card. In a day to day, we can see the credit card. Its thickness is measured in the form of millimeters. So, 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. Now, let us take an example of fingernail and find its length. Its length is nothing but 1 centimeter. That is nothing but 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Now next we will move to the meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Meters. How meters are being measured in our day-to-day life? Meters can be used to measure the length of a pen, to measure the length of your house, to measure the length of your cloth. So in a day-to-day life, we see meters are being used. So next we will move to the kilometers. How kilometers are being measured? If you want to travel from one place to the other place, the distance is being measured in the kilometers. So the 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. So the final thoughts for the length is equal to 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Then 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Next, we will move to the temperature. Temperature is being measured by a device called thermometer. Thermometer has two scales on the right and the left. For the right side, we can see the Fahrenheit degree in Fahrenheit, whereas in the left side we can see degree in Celsius. When water is freezed, we can see the 0 degree Celsius, where in the same way the 0 degree Celsius, which is equal to 86 degree Fahrenheit, at the right side of the thermometer. Hope you all have understood this metric system of measurements. Thank you.